Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura S8 Espresso Machines. Both super automatic, right?
Yeah, exactly! And both have touchscreens, which is pretty cool. But right off the bat, the Jura is significantly more expensive, like almost double the price depending on sales.
True. The Breville is around $800, while the Jura is closer to $1,500. What does the Jura offer for that extra cash?
Well, the Jura boasts a faster, more precise Aroma G3 grinder. They also tout their pulse extraction process, or PEP, for better espresso extraction. Plus, it looks like it has 15 specialty drink options, compared to Breville's pre-programmed favorites.
15? Wow. But the Breville has 8 customizable settings that you can create and save, and it heats up in just 3 seconds with this thermojet system. That's seriously fast.
That is quick. The Jura doesn't state its exact heat-up time, but it's likely not as fast. However, the Jura is a renewed product, and so it is backed by a 90-day warranty.
Good point. Plus, the Breville has some handy accessories included, like a stainless steel jug, cleaning kit, and even a water hardness test strip. Does the Jura come with anything special?
It doesn't specify what's included. Also, the Breville has a larger water tank, 67 ounces compared to whatever the Jura has.
And the Breville includes videos.
True, but the Jura is a renewed product, so it has more value in that sense.
Okay, so the Breville seems more user-friendly with the included accessories and customizable options. But the Jura focuses on high-end grinding and extraction for the purist?
Pretty much. The Jura also has a lower customer review rating than the Breville. If you're after convenience and speed, the Breville seems like a solid choice. If you're willing to pay for potentially better espresso and a wider range of drinks, then the Jura might be worth considering.
Okay, great summary. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.